Okay, good morning. We've got rain, we've got overcast lighting, and we've got a trail all to ourselves here this morning. And the last thing we have is Sony A7IV with the 70-200 f2.8 lens. I'll start with just a fern shot here with all this water coming down. Let's get one we can zoom into a bit better here. And we're working with not a lot of light this morning. It's still pretty early, and we'll have to crank the ISO up so we can get enough light in for an image. I'll just grab probably just a trail picture here. These two trees kind of framing the trail nicely for us. And then we get all those fall leaves on the dirt there. Got some great moss here on this rock, and then these fall leaves kind of add some nice color to it. Again, we're cropped in here quite a bit just with the lens, but maybe we just get in even closer and get some of this detail. Just using manual to grab that on our own here. The wind is making things a little difficult. But what I think I'll do is I'll take one like this, and then while I've got the focus on these, I'll switch it back to auto, because it usually can stick to the focus we've got once we help get it started. An image like that should work. Got some great berries here. Just a little too close. Kind of looks like mistletoe. Oh, this is a great shot. Just another one along the trail here, but we get those nice yellow leaves both on the trail and then in the background there on the trees. And try and use those trees on the sides there to frame it up. Ooh, I like the contrast of texture and color in just this area here. Don't think I'm going to be able to get a great focus on it, just because if I do this I'm too close, so I've got to hold it up high. But I'm not sure if I can get high enough here. Looks like that could work. Might be a little blurry. And this is just something that I could take probably hundreds of times in here, but just grabbing these kind of clusters of leaves right off to the side. Especially in the rain, they've got this great feel to them. You can kind of get that texture of the water droplets. Get the photo there. And I can even turn onto this side, take a second. Probably just grab another. This has got that nice color difference. And then those leaves kind of add to it as well. So I'll put this plant on the right side here. Try and balance out that image with the leaves. Got a great angle of this trail just leading up, but we've got this bush in front of us here. which has got kind of all these stragglers in the way here. I'll step up a little bit and maybe try it from here. Here's another little plant off to the side. It's just got that nice yellow color and really stands out from everything here. Grab another texture shot here. Kind of frame it up with that fern on the left. There we go. And we've got a great look at this trail here as well that we just came down. Get those nice orange and yellow leaves right above our focal point there. Nice leading line. Look at this fern here. These orange leaves all the way down. Made it to the top. Views are a little blocked here, but still you can see the mountain, kind of the whole bay area, especially over on this side. And we've got some great tall grass here that we can probably get a photo with, just because we haven't really seen anything like it on the way up. We've got a cool cargo ship that's just nicely framed for us out here. We should be able to grab it kind of in contrast with the rock and the green plant next to it. I think I'll go this way. Just a little simple one like that. Oh yeah, look at this view here. This is very cool. Yeah, so we're actually on an island right now, a very small one. And that's kind of the main land over that way. Yeah, being out in the open, it's much windier and the rain hits you just a bit harder. See if we can grab one of this sign with that nice tree in the background. Might be a little too close, but I think this might be the best it's gonna get. Got some great water droplets on this grass here. Let's try and get in close on some of that. Take just a tiny step back here. One of those ought to work. Little textures on the side. Okay, it looks like this is about the end here, so we'll call it at this point. Didn't grab as many birds as I would have hoped, just because I think the weather has caused them to want to be covered more than usual, but that's okay. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.